Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to set allow calls when do not disturb is on in Realme 5 mobile phone. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, here in your Realme 5 mobile phone, you'll have to do is go to settings. In settings, scroll down and go to do not disturb. And okay guys, the do not disturb is enable or turn on. So okay guys, if this enable or turn on, you can set the exemption. So okay guys, below you can see the exemption and you can see the allow calls from. So the allow calls from is set into started contacts only. So you can set this by tap the allow calls from and the pop-up are show. Okay, now you can see the option. So you can set the allow calls from into anyone, contacts only, started contacts only, or set and to no one. So okay guys, I decide to set and to no one. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully set the allow calls when do not disturb is on in Realme 5 mobile phone. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.